guys, I really have to clean the airbox. It's full of aluminium shavings. So I already took this one out. It's easy. You have this clip, press it and then pull it out. Let's see this one. Yep, it's exactly. It's 20. Sure, everything is out that it doesn't suck it into the engine. We don't want to have that, guys. This one out. And that is an O-ring. Oh, yes. And then, guys, I'm gonna take these out. This one. This one. This one. And this one. Yep. Okay. Now let's see. Now guys, I gave the airbox a supersonic clean as there was aluminium shavings everywhere. But have a look now. What you see blinking could be a drop of water. And of course the rubbers, clean them too. But it's nicely clean now. There were a lot of shavings inside, all tiny aluminium particles. But I cleaned it, so let's move on. Now, I'm gonna put these rubbers back in. Yep, like this. Now ready. I'm gonna warm them up first. They went in like this. Just easy. Oh, until now it is. Okay. Yes, and then I think, yeah, I'm gonna give it a smear of, guys, to be sure. I'm gonna mount them easily. I'm gonna put a bit of silicone grease so I have no problem with sliding them in. Tiny bit, just over here, and then onto here. Not too much, just to make it a tiny bit more elastic, no slippery. Yep. Like this. Yes, then let's this pinch it with your nail, and now because it's lovely slippery, see, goes in easy, guys. Yes. Oh, hoppa. Okay guys, this is one. Then we're gonna do his brother. First I'm gonna warm it up. Always love to warm a rubber up so it's far more flexible. And it is rather cold in here. Not cold, my stove is on, but okay. Then guys, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do a bit of mechanic up there, so it slides in easy, and then this one, it was actually more than just a bit. Then yes, go. Yes, no, yes. Oh. Then we're gonna do the same. Normally that wasn't a problem. Yes, with your nail, press it in, and then just it goes in almost automatically. Yes. Okay. Now, guys, this flies in place. This one we're going to do the same. Warm it up a bit. So it's, wow. Slowly we're getting there. Oh guys, I really love doing this. Bring all your crashed bikes with blown engines. If I had more time, it wouldn't be a problem, but I only have 24 hours in a day. Shit. There was so so every now and then you have to talk to it, and then get the hang of it. Turn it a bit so it isn't sticking anywhere. Nice. Well, the last one. Go, brother. Yes. This one back over there. Okay. Now, the last one. Also, but this time I do a tiny bit. Bam. Yeah, this is a tiny bit. Well. So, now, guys, oops. Glad I took it out. Those rubbers. A lot of aluminium particles glued. Now, kom eens. Up. Yes, there it goes, I think. No. Yes. Oh. Then, because it's now warm here. Oh, guys, it almost falls in place. Wait a little bit. Okay, clean it. So. Then okay, come on, way in there, but this looks very clean. Okay guys, now this one goes over here. Okay, like this, with two wonderful torque screws, and with wonderful I mean absolutely wonderful. If I can find what I'm looking for, yes. So, one over there. Yes. Okay. Guys, it's plastic, huh? So don't screw it too tight. Just you can feel it. So, okay. Then we have this one. Still have a bit of slippery fingers. So there's this notch clip thing. Goes in like this. Click. Now, guys, wonderful. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now let's move on.